you?
Spare clothes.
What kinds of clothes?
Boxies and undies and stuff.
Did you ask someone Mum's knickers is?
Yeah.
Why?
I'll fit in them.
Why did you need them?
What was it? I think my boxies were soaking.
Why?
I kissed myself.
Yeah, that's why. That was funny.
Why did you wet yourself?
I was going for a piss and I thought I'd finished. I just started dribbling out.
So you asked for what?
Some knickers off your mum.
Did she give you any?
No. None of fit.
Too big.
Yeah. I think your phone's going.
Mine?
Yeah.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh.
Such a
We should go on a bush, miss. Free, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.